Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if P and Q are middle points of the side BC and CD of a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so first we have a parallelogram. Let's draw a parallelogram. Okay, now look at this. So, we got our parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, for time being, imagine that this is origin. Okay. Suppose this is origin, and the and suppose. Okay, we will use informations first. Then I'll tell you how to solve. So the next information is P is the midpoint of BC. So P is midpoint of BC. Okay. Q is the midpoint of CD. Q is the midpoint of CD. Okay. Now look at the idea. You know that it's a parallelogram, so we need two sides. So suppose that this vector AB, it is vector A. Suppose that this vector AD is B vector. Okay. Suppose. Now let's connect this thing. Why I am connecting? Because we need AP, we need AQ. Okay, and O is the origin. Now if AD is vector B, BC will also be vector B. Okay, and that PC will be what? Half of vector B. Okay, and similarly that CQ will be half of vector A. Correct. Now look at this, how I will solve this question. So we need AP vector plus AQ vector. So AP vector means what? From A to P. Correct. Now you know that AP vector as AB vector plus BP vector. Correct. Do you know AB vector? AB vector is A vector and BP vector is B vector by 2. Correct. Now focus on AQ vector. AQ. So AQ vector will be what? You will be apply triangle law. AD vector plus DQ vector. AD vector is what? B vector. DQ vector is what? A vector by 2. Now club both of them. So A will be added with A. So 3 by 2A. Same with B. 3 by 2 B. So can I take 3 by 2 common? So 3 by 2 vector A plus vector B. So if you will add vector A with vector B, don't you think that you will get vector AC? So it is 3 by 2 vector AC. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation. In this question we have applied the concept of triangle law, nothing else. Okay, so see you guys in next session of Mathflix.